You didn't buy a Silverado 2500 HD to drive it empty. But the moment you load it up, heavy fifth wheel, full bed, equipment trailer, the leaf springs alone aren't enough. Airbags are the upgrade that actually keeps pace with how you use this truck. Today I'm ranking the 4 best options. Links in the description. Let's go. At number 4, maXpeedingrods covers 2001 through 2026. Silverado 2500 and 3500. One of the longest fitment ranges on this list. 4 to 4.5 millimeter rubber walls, internal jounce bumper, 5,000 pound capacity. The bumper inside each bag is important. If you ever pull into a gas station and forget your bags are running low, that bumper is what keeps metal from hitting metal. Good build quality at a price that leaves room in your budget for whatever else your truck needs. Number 3. RETRUE positioned as a direct replacement for the Firestone Airide 2613 kit, which means the engineering blueprint is proven. You're just getting it at a better price. Pre-drilled, no drilling required, labeled hardware so the install doesn't turn into a guessing game. Fits 2011 through 2026 Silverado 2500 and 3500. 5,000 pound capacity, 5 to 100 pounds per square inch adjustment. If your goal is a reliable install on a Saturday afternoon without spending premium money, RETRUE delivers exactly that. Number 2, and this is where things get serious. The Air Lift LoadLifter 7500 XL. 7,500 pounds of load support, which is 50% more capacity than every other kit on this list. 20% more air spring volume than the standard LoadLifter 5000. If you're regularly pulling a 40-foot fifth wheel, a heavy equipment trailer, or running at gross vehicle weight, this is the kit that's actually sized for that job. Internal jounce bumper compatible with Air Lift wireless controllers. Most installs use existing frame holes. Not for ZR2 or AT4X models. And the top spot goes to Firestone red label, and the specs back it up. 7,500 pounds of load capacity and a maximum pressure of 150 pounds per square inch. That extra pressure headroom matters when you're running max payload consistently. You have room to tune, not just survive. Designed and assembled in the USA, no drilling required, includes a heat shield to protect the airline. Firestone's been building commercial air springs since the 1930s. This is what that experience looks like. 4 kits for your Silverado 2500 HD, from a solid budget option all the way up to 2 7,500 pound heavy hitters built for trucks that actually work for a living. The right kit depends on what you're pulling and how often. All the links are in the video description. Check fitment before you buy. Found this useful? Subscribe. More heavy-duty truck content is coming and you won't want to miss it.